Good morning, teachers, parents, esteemed guests, and fellow students. The end of another school year comes upon us. But before we bid farewell to each other, allow me to say a few words. I would like to give some messages to our teachers, parents, and guardians. Messages I believe are similar to what we would like to say to them as well. Most especially, I want to give a final message to you, my cherished batchmates. Dearest teachers, you have helped so many students, including us, grow in ways we can only be proud of. You have appreciated our individuality and guided us as we honed our different intelligences and skills. You served as our mentors, especially you, our valued advisors, Tita Lynn and Tita Ellen. Even though at times we fail to show much appreciation to what you do, you must all know that we are grateful for everything you have done and contributed to our development as individuals. Thank you for the words of wisdom we shared throughout the years. No matter where we go, we will never forget you. To our parents and guardians, we, your children, have all the reasons to acknowledge you today as well. You are the ones who took care of us from the start. You have loved us conditionally, and you have been there through the winning and trying times. Thank you for always listening, understanding, and supporting. We know that you have never asked anything in return for the love you have given us. But please know, we still want to give back what you have given to us someday. One day it will happen. But to start, for today at least, we hope to have made you proud. Finally, to all of my batchmates, we can finally say, we made it. It feels like yesterday that we started our lives as grade 6 students. We met new people and made new friends. We went through happy times and hardships together. We laughed, we cried, we fought. We made up, for we know the bond we made will endure the test of time. And so, even if we are so close to the conclusion of our middle school year, we don't have to say goodbye. Friends, graduation is not really the end. It is the beginning of a new chapter in the story of our lives. The moment of triumph, friendship, and love will always be there. We just need to look back to the beginning and remember those lovely times. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a part of this momentous occasion and a significant part of our lives. Once again, good morning, and may the Lord Almighty bless us all.
Next, we have Veronica Perfecto, a grade 6